Hello there, dear viewers. Welcome back to another inspiring content of Decor Menu. Get ready for an exciting woodworking and decor project that will transform your space. Today we will show you the collection of simple woodworking project ideas that sell BY, turning basic wood into artistic home decor. So, watch the video until the end to see these beautiful ideas and get inspiration. Simple woodworking ideas can yield artistic wooden creations that not only capture the imagination, but also create genuine market value. In a world that increasingly values craftsmanship and sustainability, the art of woodworking presents a unique opportunity for artisans, hobbyists, and those looking to supplement their income. With a relatively small investment in tools and materials, anyone can harness their creativity to turn raw wood into beautiful, functional pieces that resonate with consumers seeking authenticity and uniqueness in their home decor. The beauty of woodworking lies in its accessibility. Even beginner artisans can achieve impressive results with simple designs, and as their skills grow, so too does the potential for creating intricate and high-value pieces. The cornerstone of producing artistic wooden creations lies in the choice of materials. Accessible woods such as pine, cedar, or reclaimed timber can be transformed into stunning items like cutting boards, coasters, small shelves, or decorative boxes. These materials are not only affordable, but offer unique grain patterns and textures that enhance the aesthetic appeal of the finished products. Using simpler woodworking techniques such as basic cutting, sanding, and assembling, individuals can create stylish and functional items that cater to contemporary tastes. A well-crafted cutting board, for instance, can quickly elevate any kitchen, while a customized wooden box can serve as a meaningful gift or storage solution, drawing appreciation from friends, family, and customers alike. As artisans begin to explore simple woodworking ideas, creativity can flourish through the incorporation of both form and function in their designs. One popular concept is the creation of minimalist furniture, which utilizes clean lines and earthy tones to complement modern interiors. For example, a simple bench made from a single slab of wood with live edges can serve as both a functional seating option and a statement piece that showcases natural beauty. This type of design not only captures the essence of rustic charm, but also appeals to consumers who appreciate uniqueness in their home furnishings. By focusing on simplistically designed furniture items, artisans can create elegant pieces that fit seamlessly into a variety of decor styles, from contemporary to farmhouse. Moreover, artistic woodworking can extend beyond functional items into ornamental pieces that hold decorative value. Wall art created from reclaimed wood can take various forms, such as geometric patterns, nature-inspired silhouettes, or abstract designs that invite discussion and admiration. Utilizing techniques like woodburning or staining, artisans can add depth and individuality to each piece, making them striking focal points within any room. This approach not only enriches the creative process, but also attracts consumers looking for unique art that reflects their personal style. Hanging a handcrafted piece of wood art can instantly transform a blank wall into a captivating canvas, thus providing a suitable avenue for artisans to express their creativity while achieving marketability. Dear viewers, are you enjoying today's video so far? Make sure to tap that like button and share the channel with your family and friends who love woodworking, decor, and creative inspiration just like you. Your support helps the channel grow and allows me to keep bringing you new ideas and projects every day. I'd also love to know where in the world you're watching from, so drop your country in the comments below. And after this video, don't forget to check out the other videos on the channel. You'll find even more inspirational transformations and creative builds waiting for you. Creating bespoke items allows artisans to differentiate their offerings, appealing to a clientele seeking more than mass-produced products. Personalization can play a significant role in the creation of market value. Items such as engraved wooden spoons, custom signs, or photo frames can resonate deeply with consumers looking for unique gifts that foster emotional connections. The simple act of adding a name, date, or special message elevates the item from a mere object to a treasured keepsake, appealing to a wide demographic from wedding gifts to home decor. By emphasizing handcrafted techniques that allow for personalization, artisans can enhance their product's marketability, ensuring that customers feel a deeper connection to the finished pieces. The design process itself nurtures creativity and artistic expression, encouraging artisans to experiment with combinations of wood types, finishes, and styles. Blending different species of wood can yield striking visual contrasts that enhance the overall impact of the finished item. For example, incorporating hardwood accents within softer woods creates a dynamic interplay of textures that captivates the eye. Additionally, finishing techniques such as sanding, staining, or using food-safe oils can profoundly affect the final appearance, illuminating the intricacies of the wood grain and adding dimension. Through this process, artisans cultivate their unique style, forging a signature on each piece that becomes recognizable to consumers seeking quality craftsmanship. Furthermore, promoting the sustainability aspect of woodworking can significantly enhance its market value. Consumers are increasingly aware of the importance of eco-friendly practices, and woodworking allows for sustainable sourcing of materials. Utilizing reclaimed wood from old furniture or construction sites not only reduces waste, but also imparts a sense of history and character to the final item. Artisans can convey this sustainability narrative through effective storytelling, helping consumers appreciate the care and thought behind each creation. For instance, a cutting board crafted from reclaimed barn wood tells a tale of the past, adding emotional value as customers recognize the importance of sustainability. This connection reinforces the perception of worth, allowing artisans to command higher prices for artisanal work grounded in responsible practices. Indeed, the move towards sustainable woodworking opens opportunities for collaboration within local communities. Joining forces with other artisans, designers, or sustainable brands can amplify visibility and create a network of support that fosters creativity and innovation. For example, participating in local craft fairs or exhibitions can introduce artisans to potential customers while showcasing the value of handcrafted products. Markets that prioritize sustainable, handcrafted goods are ideal venues for promoting artistic woodworking efforts, as they draw consumers who appreciate quality and ethical practices. By effectively utilizing these platforms, artisans can elevate their profiles, cultivate a loyal customer base, and enhance their market presence. Digital platforms also play a crucial role in scaling artistic woodworking endeavors. Creating an online presence through social media, craft-focused websites, or e-commerce platforms allows artisans to showcase their work to a broader audience. Engaging content through photos, videos, or live demonstrations can draw interest and engagement, encouraging consumers to invest in unique, handcrafted wooden creations. Social media platforms like Instagram and Pinterest are particularly effective for visually driven artisan work, allowing artisans to build a brand around their creative process and the stories behind each piece. Sharing behind-the-scenes glimpses, tutorials, or design inspiration connects consumers emotionally to the artisan's journey, building trust and reinforcing the allure of their creations. Scaling profits through artistic woodworking also necessitates continuous learning and exploration of new techniques and designs. Well, dear viewers, there you have them. Our hand-picked simple woodworking project ideas that sell by turning basic wood into artistic home decor. Which ones did you like? What did you like about them? Share us your thoughts in the comments section. If you do, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already, and also smash that notification bell so that you will be the first one to be notified when we upload new videos. It takes a lot of time and effort to make these videos. Your subscriptions, likes, and shares are what inspire us to create more content. Therefore, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already. And finally, thank you for watching until the end. We look forward to seeing you in our next video. Until then, stay safe and stay blessed.